Okay, men, today you're building a house. Here are the blueprints. Any questions?
This is just a picture of a house.
That's because you're building a house. Where's the house? You're building it, dude. I have to go take a nap. I mean, do important stuff. The house better be done when I get back.
Okay, so we'll put the bricks here.
Just like stack
How
them
many
over
bricks
and,
is gonna
put it right there.
Okay, so I think I understand. We're gonna build the house right here.
Okay, we're gonna need some bricks though.
Yeah, we're gonna need those. Okay, Joe, can you go get the bricks? Yep, I can do that. All right.
It's gonna be hard. Oh look, here comes the bricks.
Hey, don't dump it right there. Back up. Okay, now dump. Good.
Hey look.
What do you think you're doing?
What do you think I'm doing?
I think you're sitting in a chair.
No, I'm not. Get back to work.
Break time!
I brought a hot dog for lunch. What did you bring?
I brought a fish.
Hey, Lance, what do you think this brick looks like? I don't know, dude. Hey, Joe, what do you think this brick looks like? Looks like a brick. No, it's a duck.
Hey, boys, back to work. Hey, turn that door around.
I don't think that's right, but okay. Wait, what? Why are they red and blue? Hey, Joe, why are these bricks red and blue?
They were out of the regular ones.
Work smarter, not harder. Green and yellow?
Looks like snot.
Ouch! I'm gonna need a ladder. Hey, Joe,
What?
can you get me a ladder?
Are you making soup or something?
No, a ladder.
Those snakes are dangerous.
Ugh.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Guys, we're done. We built the
Oh,
house.
this is cool.
Uh-huh.
Man, we actually built a house.
You men did a good job. Congratulations.
What's wrong with this door?